Welcome students. Let us carry forward our discussion on kinetics of particles 1 with connected bodies. So the next question is, calculate the vertical acceleration of 100 kg block and the tension in the connected string neglecting the friction, and the diagram given is this one. So we need to find out the tension in the string and the acceleration of the 100 kg block, that means this block. We need to find out acceleration of this particular block. So before starting the solution, let us assume some tensions. So if this is a string, let me assume the tension in this particular string is T. As the string is passing over this pulley, which is smooth, the tension on this side of the string will also be T. Now moving forward, this string is passing over this smooth pulley, hence the tension here also will be T. Now the first step in any problem of kinetics of particles 1 is starting with the free body diagram. So let us start with free body diagram of A. So for A, I have a block of weight 100 kg. The first force which we show is the applied force, and let us say it will be a tension T. Second force we show as self weight acting vertically downwards, so it will be 100. As it is in kg, we need to convert it into newtons. The third force is reaction from contact surface. So as you can see, there is no contact surface available for A. The contact reaction will not be appearing in the free body diagram. And also, if there is no contact, there should not be any friction force. Hence, there will be no friction force shown in this particular diagram. So now we can say that we have completed showing all the forces acting on this body of 100 kg. Now, next step before applying conditions of equilibrium is to show the inertia force in the direction opposite to the direction of motion. So now what we need to do, we need to assume the direction of acceleration for both these blocks. Now, just by mere observation, you can see that the block A is of 100 kg and block B is of 150 kg. So it is quite obvious that as this block is heavy, this block will try to move down, and when this block will move down, it will try to bring block A upward, or when this block B comes down, and as it is connected by the same string, this block A will move upward. So this is the direction of acceleration or direction of motion for block B, and this is direction of acceleration or motion for block A. Now coming back to our this free body diagram, as the direction of acceleration of block A is upside, the inertia force acting will be towards downside with a value of 100 into A, that is mass multiplied by acceleration. Now we have completed showing all the forces on this particular block A, and now we can apply conditions of equilibrium. So let us start with that. So starting for block A, conditions of equilibrium, summation of Fy is equal to 0. I have three forces, that is T, 100A and 100 into 9.81. So writing it in the equation form, I will get minus 100 into 9.81 because it is going downside, plus T minus 100A is equal to 0. Just by rearranging, I will get equation as T minus 100A is equal to 981, and let this be equation number 1. Now we can't apply summation of Fx equal to 0 because there is no force in x direction. Next step will be to draw the free body diagram for another body, that is B. So let us start with that. For B of weight 150 kg, the first force will be applied force, which we have already determined that it will be same tension T. Next will be the self weight, that is 150 multiplied by 9.81, converting into newtons. The third force we show in any free body diagram is the reaction from contact surface. So you can observe here that there is no contact of block B with any surface, hence there will be no contact reaction. And also because there is no contact surface, there will be no movement, and if there is no movement, there will be no friction. So friction force will also not appear in this particular free body diagram. So now we have completed showing all the forces acting on this particular body. Next step is to show the inertia force acting in the direction opposite to the motion of the body. So now we have assumed. So we had assumed initially that the direction of motion for block B is downward. Hence, the inertia force acting will be towards upside with a value of 150 multiplied by A, that is mass multiplied by acceleration. So now we can say that we are ready to apply conditions of equilibrium. So let us start with that. So for block B, I can start with summation of Fy is equal to 0. So I will get these three forces, that is 150 A, T, and this 150 into 9.81 going downside. So all three forces are in y direction. So I will write T minus 150 into 9.81 plus 150 A is equal to 0. Now just rearranging the equation, I will get T plus 150A is equal to 1471.51, and let this be equation number 2. Now observing equation 1 and 2. Observing equation 1 and 2, we see that in equation 1 the two unknowns are T and A. Also in equation 2 the unknowns are T and A. So we have two equations and two unknowns. So let us solve this equation 1 and 2 simultaneously, and solving it simultaneously I will get the answer for acceleration as 1.962 meter per second square and tension T as 1177.2 newtons. So in the question it was asked to find out vertical acceleration of 100 kg block. So it will be this as 1.962 meter per second square, and also it was asked to determine tension in the connected string, which will be 1177.2 newtons, and this completes the solution. So again you must have observed we have done nothing new. We have just drawn the free body diagram, applied conditions of equilibrium, and we got the required answer. Thank you.